Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some of the food I eat as a Nigerian breastfeeding mom and Igbotic mama as well. Now don't get me wrong, every other person can eat all the food I'm showing you in this video. It doesn't necessarily mean it's made for only breastfeeding moms alone, okay? Also, make sure you stick around if you want to learn how Nigerians swallow their fufu. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, everything you are going to be seeing in this video was not eaten in a single day, okay? This is more like what I eat every other day. So I decided to compile everything together to kind of give you some meal idea. In case you are running out of meal idea, you can grab one or two from this video. So let's go. On this morning, I decided to have me some gluten-free oat fruit muesli or whatever they call it. Oh, the name is so hard for me to pronounce. Anyways, I just poured some of it and I like to mix it up with some Quaker oats. Now, after mixing it up, I poured some hot water over it. I mixed everything together to kind of combine everything, both the Quaker oats and the gluten-free oat fruits. So now I'm going to be adding some evaporated milk, and that is Peak Milk brand that I'm using. And then I added some more honey because I have a sweet tooth. But if you don't want to add extra sweetness to it, you can just leave it like that. It's okay like that. It's just that I needed more sweetness to it, so that was why I added more honey. And then I garnished it up with some chopped strawberries. So yeah, here is the gluten-free oat fruit whatever. You guys, this is so good. If you can be able to lay your hands on it, go grab it. That packet you're seeing right there is so good. And this is the consistency, not too thick and not too runny either. And I really and thoroughly enjoyed my breakfast. Also take your postpartum supplements when and if necessary. Here is the one I'm taking for now. Okay, so I just finished making some jollof rice now. I made it with some leftover stew, but I added some fresh veggies to it, and the only fresh veggies I added were green and the red bell peppers, and then I added some onion just to make it come alive a bit. As you can see, there's no protein in it, which is meat. So since there's no protein in it, I've decided to use boiled egg. So the boiled egg is going to serve as the protein for me, and here is my portion. So it's time to eat, and by the way, I'm having this as my lunch. And here is my princess, the only person I'm eating for right now. What are you looking at? That? She's the one I'm eating for. She just finished eating now, and she's just here relaxing with some hiccups or hiccups. I'm going to be having this for snack. This is just dry bread. Yeah, it's very crunchy. So I'm going to be having it with this. This is fruit blend, and what they blended here is just apple and albicocca. Yeah, and it's 100% fruit. So this is what it looks like. Just open it and be dipping the bread inside here, the crunchy bread. It's so good, you guys. This is so delicious. I love it. I will not forget to mention, drink a lot of water. Water. Make sure you drink a lot of water. Like, I can't say this enough. Drink a whole lot of water. If you can, finish this a day. Yes, finish it a day. Whether hot water or room temperature water, drink a lot of water. That is what I've been doing. Alright guys, so as an African woman, I also want to let you know that you can still enjoy your fufu while you are in diaspora. Okay, you can still enjoy your swallow, your fufu, whatsoever you call it. So here is my semo and here is my soup, and this soup we call it bitter leaf soup. This is bitter leaf soup. It is very, very delicious when cooked properly. And from where I come from, we are always expected to eat swallow, which is fufu, as some people may call it, but this is semolina to be precise, okay? But in general, let's use swallow. So we are always expected to eat swallow in order to hold our body. You know, when you eat this type of food, you're likely to feel more stronger throughout the whole day, and you are expected to eat this swallow with some nsala soup, or basically any soup of your choice, but mostly we eat it with nsala soup as a new mom, okay? But I already finished my nsala soup, which I made days before I put to bed. So the nsala soup can also be replaced with onugbu soup because they both have similar bitter taste. Yeah, so I'm going to be eating the semo with onugbu soup. We are also advised to eat a lot of soup as well. So I'm going to eat this, and you can have it as lunch, breakfast, dinner, whenever you want to have it, okay? For me, I'm going to be having it as brunch. And so to eat this, you have to wash your hands, which I've already done. As you can see, we use our bare hands to eat this type of food. I'm saying this because I know that some white people are watching me. So if you want to learn our tradition, this is how we do it. We use our bare hands, okay? We don't use fork and knife for this type of meal or dish. So I already washed my hands. Say your prayers. Father, I thank you for this food. As I eat, let it be to the nourishment of my body in Jesus' name. I cover this food with the blood of Jesus. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, you just take as much as you can swallow. For me, this is the much I can swallow, okay? And then you dip it in the soup. Make sure you take enough soup, okay? The soup will help you to be able to swallow this without chewing it, because some people do chew this type of meal, and we don't chew it. You are meant to swallow it, not chew, okay? So here is it, and then you swallow. Then you lick your fingers. If you have some soup left on your fingers, you can lick them like this, and then you take another swallow, mold it into round shape, then you dip it in the soup like so. This soup is so yummy. So if you want to see how I make this soup, you can always go over to my other channel, which is Fantastic Favor. I have a video on how to make this particular soup, and also how to make semo, okay? Yeah, you can see them over there in case you want to try our Nigerian dish. Remember to always drink your water, okay? Whether hot or cool water. Normally our mothers used to tell us to drink hot water. The food will be very hot, the water very hot, and they will ask you to drink the hot water when it is very, very hot. Not like hot to burn your tongue, but very hot or very warm. Yeah, so basically the hot water helps to, you know, clean your tummy, flush down everything that is not supposed to be there, and also to help pump your breast milk. Yeah, that's it. So always remember to drink your water. If you choose to drink hot or warm, fine. If you choose to drink room temperature, I choose room temperature. I just finished boiling some white yam, and over here I'm making some egg sauce. Here is the egg I'm going to be adding to it, and here is my onion. I'll be adding some tuna as well. So always remember, any recipe you want from this video, you can always check the description box below to see how I made the recipe. I don't want the onion to be very soft, so that's why I'm adding it almost last. I'm going to give it some minutes, to like a minute or two, then I'll take it down. So here is my food ready to go down. My goodness, if you've not tried this combination before, make sure you try it. Check the link below, make it for yourself and your family, and you are going to love it. Okay guys, good morning. Why I said good morning is because it's morning and I'm about to have my breakfast. So this morning I'm going to be having some French toast with some banana and hot chocolate. So this is the hot chocolate. Some people call it hot chocolate, but in Nigeria we do call it tea and bread. So that's what I'm going to be having this morning. And the chocolate I used is Nesquik. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the inside. So I added a little bit of Nescafe to it, just a tiny bit of the Nescafe. I love the combination. And then I poured some milk, liquid milk. So yeah, warm milk by the way. So that's what I'm going to be having, and I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. It says time for coffee, even though I'm not actually drinking coffee, but yeah, it looks so good. If you want to see how to make the French toast, you can always check the description box below. Hey guys, okay, so today I also want to show you that you can as well enjoy yourself with some white rice and fresh tomatoes and turkey stew. And the black leafy stuff you're seeing there is fresh curry leaves. Yeah, I made it with some fresh curry leaves to give it that curry flavor and taste. Look at that. So as for this one, I'm going to be having it as lunch, and that's what everybody in the house is having as well. Whatever I'm showing you here is what we all are eating in the house. Like, I'm not making it separately for myself, it's for everybody. So here is my own portion. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm about to make fruit platter. I hope that's what it's called. Anyways, here with me I have my pineapple, really ripe. This is the sweet one. I have my oranges here, and I have some apples. So these are the only fruits I'm going to be using for the fruit platter. I'm not sure. Please let me know what it's called in the comment section. Anyways, when I'm done, I'm going to show you how it looks, and I'm also going to show you my own portion. By the way, I'm making this for the whole family. It's just to slice the pineapple, slice the apples, and then I'm going to be juicing the oranges. I'm going to show you later, okay? I'll be right back. So I'm done slicing the pineapple and the apples, and I ended up using 4 of the oranges. Here is it. I just finished juicing them, and I'm going to pour everything here. Give it a quick mix. So finally I'm done, and here is my portion. As you can see, I'm just going to go and relax and munch on this. By the way, this is just going to be serving as a snack. I already have my breakfast this morning, and if you have more fruits to add to it, definitely go ahead and add more fruits. Alright, my lovely people, we have come to the end of today's video. If you want a part 2 of this, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And I also want to use this opportunity to tell you that homemade food is best for a breastfeeding mom. No need for junk food or anyhow food. Thank you guys so much for watching.